I said I want my ones.
Okay, hi. So I'm editing this video, right? I'm going through my last run through the whole video, and then I realized my dumb self forgot to make an intro again. So basically, this vlog is just me being done with my friends. There was a fight video, me being exposed and dancing, and a lot of people falling and busting their butts. So just enjoy.
Ever get into a situation or a skid or something, I don't know what to do. How many
Class is so boring.
can drive a you can ride the cones, come to a complete full stop.
I am
And
depressed.
we'll talk about what we're gonna do next.
Okay.
Guys, merci. Who remembers the word? Raise your hand. Levez la main. Comment dit-on the beach?
La beach.
That's the sea. Plage. Plage. Is it le ou la? La. La. Both feminine. La plage et la mer.
When we learned that?
Hey guys, what is up? I look like a mess, but you know what?
I mean, what's new? Honestly, yes. Yes, I always look like trash. This is school. I'm not trying to dress up for y'all. Y'all aren't that important. Nick!
What?
Look!
Say, I like beef turkey.
No, I just like all food. You put something in front of me, I'll fucking eat.
Okay, so we're taking these trees.
Vegetables?
Wait, no, that's not true. Sis really tried to kill me. Like, she threw a whole tree on my head. Like, what? Can't do it. Yeah. So we have to cut them, and then we have to put them in. Right, that's what I'm saying. You gotta put them in these thingies. It's not gonna look like this, but
Anita doesn't know what she's talking about.
I do know what I'm talking about.
Ow, the branch, the branch, the branch.
I should make a thumbnail. Amira and Kendall. She said.
Look at that booty, show me the booty, give me the booty, I want the booty.
Nobody told
us
us she
we
was a
were
basketball player.
Oh, I can make it all right.
That's good.
Buckets.
Cut it on the ankle.
Guys, there's always spiders.
What?
Then I threw a leaf at the thing. I said,
You said.
wshh. Oh no, American Idea. She said,
Oh, did you see that? Ah! She said dancer or whatever. Mira, please get out of the trash can. Ma'am, I'm gonna need you. Okay, it's time to get off. What did you do? I wanna.
You know.
This is the infamous Italian Vito Galina.
Oh no, he did a light skin face.
Oh, he said.
Bye.
Oh my God, you.
Bye.
Wait, what the fuck?
Let's see.
Let's go. Bye, gang. Gang, you know the deal. I'm gonna see y'all in the next scene. In the next thing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
She has no clue that we have a string in her backpack. And she stayed touching it. It is. Hey, vlog. It's time for me to go.
Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Link will be in the description below. Period. I'm trying to hype you up.
Let me tell you something. Look at my lunch. This is my lunch. She barely gave me any sauce. I'm gonna have dry noodles. Why is the bread like this?
The bread is like a sugar cookie, like a bland sugar cookie. Look at this. Hold on. It's soggy. Like it's look. That's supposed to be bread. This is bread. It should not freaking stick to my thumb when I touch it.
So I was like, you know what?
You had to go get revenge.
I said I want my ones. Since you think you tough. So mind you, I had just got my nails done. I had
With the nails?
I had a skirt on and everything. I busted her nose at the end. Oh.
Wait, which one? You didn't tie dye?
Yeah, with the skirt on.
He was like,
She ain't hitting nothing right now. She hitting air.
And then this stuff. Okay, so this was actually my first fight freshman year.
Fans, because we hot now.
Hold on. What you say?
I didn't even do nothing.
What you say?
I didn't say
You ain't gonna go to.
A few moments later.
everybody okay?
Are you okay?
Okay, so we're in English. Can you pull up the pictures of my eyes? This is Nina's ankle.
It's disgusting.
Okay, I have my explanation. Please stop.
Where's the before and after treatment? Before and after the treatment.
Look, okay, I have eczema, right?
Eczema.
I lost my medicated lotion.
Excuses, you know you should put lotion on.
Stop it. I lost my medicated lotion. Then I took a shower with Irish Spring, which is terrible for your skin. Then I didn't lotion after I showered, knowing darn well I was going to go into the cold.
So you did it
That
to
is
yourself.
my reasoning, okay?
So you did it to yourself.
Yes, I did it to myself, but partially
You
I
deserve the
also...
humiliation. You deserve to
I-
be humiliated.
Okay. Y'all didn't have to come for me like that, though. My legs are lotion now.
Yeah, I'll be up to here though.
Shut up. We didn't have to include that. So the school day's about to end, and this vlog was kind of like really long.
It was trashy.
It was actually really good. So it's gonna take so long to edit it, and it's probably gonna take up most of my storage. So it's gonna take forever to load. It's gonna be like I feel like it just boom. I'm like hello.
It just like puffed into thin air.
Like, where did my freaking phone go? It's like, it's because I recorded 40 minutes of lunch. But yeah, so, oh, come in here and do my outro with me. Okay, so basically, no. So basically, that's it. Like, comment, and suck my.
What are we doing chemistry?
I don't know. Anyway.
We did a what?
No. Okay. Stop it. Stop it. Okay. Like, comment, subscribe if you like. Stop it. If you like this video and subscribe. We're on the road to 200 because I just hit 100. Thank you for that. So yeah, that's it. Bye.